Hey everybody, this is Jock Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is one fantastic, totally legit money-making app. Uh, it's called FeaturePoints. It's been around for some years. I can't remember exactly how many years, but they pay every time. Uh, all you got to do is complete you some surveys. But the real bread and butter is download apps and sharing it with friends and getting 50% of all their uh, points for life. And you can also get gift cards, you can get cash, you can get Bitcoin. But like I say, you can complete surveys, download apps, and share it with friends. That's where you will receive more points, and the faster you do that, you'll be able to cash out. Uh, Now, what makes FeaturePoints so great now is the fact that you can do it from your laptop or desktop. You don't no longer have to have a smartphone or tablet. By getting the app, you can earn points directly from your browser or whatnot. But like I say, all you gotta do is just commit to this every day. If you somebody that's really broke and struggling, you can really run away with this opportunity and just get focused. And like I say, it's free to join. And all you got to do every day is just download apps and get your link out there as much as possible. Uh, Here's some of the prizes here. Uh, if you want PayPal money, you can cash out 1, 3, 5, 10, 25, 50, 100, 200, 500, and $1,000 straight to PayPal. Now to get to the 1,000, you're gonna have to get 600,000 points, and $500 you gotta get to 300,000 points. And if you're a person who wants Bitcoin, they'll send it to you through Coinbase, but you have to have a Coinbase account, and it's free to get a Coinbase account. And you're able to cash out 1, 3, 5, and 10 through Bitcoin. And if you want gift cards as your prize, you can get a lot of stuff. They got a lot of stuff when it comes to the gift cards. As you can see, Target, Best Buy, Xbox, Amazon, Starbucks, Steam, Google Play, League of Legends, Target, Bath and Body Works, Sephora, and on and on. But this is a golden opportunity for anybody who don't have any money, just want to start from scratch, and not have to pay to join. All you got to do is get focused every day, log in, complete surveys, download apps, and share it with friends. So, uh, so to anybody who, or you don't necessarily have to be struggling. You might be already in some programs, but this could be an addition to what you're already doing. So, um, like I say, here's my link right here. I'm going to put a link below this video, and I'm also put a link to my blog. And this is just a golden opportunity. But the reason I named this video Money Making Apps is because I built a money making apps page on my blog. As you can see right here, I just put the page up yesterday, And I'm going to continue to frequently update it as time goes on apps that's highly credible that I recommend. I only been doing apps about 2.5 years now. So anything I put on there is legit incredible. And I have started to notice that the app business and the app market is only getting bigger and better. And you can make a lot of money participating using apps. So this is a page you definitely want to check out at my blog. I'm going to put a link to my blog and a link to feature points below this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell. But feature points is just an opportunity to just take and run with. And like I say, the money making apps page, I just added it yesterday to my blog. So I don't got nothing up there right now but feature points, but that will change. I'm going to frequently update it like I do my marketing resources page right here. And also check out all my other stuff I got. So with that being said, y'all have a good day. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.